Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2005 Dodge Viper SRT10 Mamba Edition. It's the convertible. It has the 8.3 liter V10, the 6-speed manual transmission, limited slip differential, and is painted in the bright silver metallic with the black and red leather interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we'll take a look here. Here's your trunk lid, and then inside your trunk, you can see it has the black convertible top there, and then we have the trunk here. There's your Viper badge there, and your trunk space. We have the service manual there, owner's manual, and we do have an aftermarket backup camera. So that's there. We'll close the trunk lid. Let's zoom out here. We'll show you the interior. So there's your beautiful black and red interior. Coming back here, you have the Roadster style head restraints there. Coming back here, you can see the beautiful stripe on this. It's a dual stripe, so you got the matte black stripe in the center, nice thick stripe with the gloss red off-centered there. Here's your backup camera there mounted. Here's your tail lights. And then coming down here, we'll come down here and give you a better look here. We have the diffuser there. We got the Viper badge in red on the bumper. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the wheels next. All right, so we have this attractive Viper wheel. It's done in a gunmetal metallic, and we have Michelin tires all the way around. The rear tire size is a 345/30 ZR19, so a massive tire in the rear here. We have the black lug nuts, bright red brake calipers, and four-wheel disc brakes. You can see how massive these brakes are to stop this powerhouse. Let's check out the front tires next. The front tire size is a 275/35 ZR18, and these are new tires on the front. Those red calipers say Brembo on it. We have the Brembo system, of course. And let's check out the interior next. So here's your interior. Right away, you're going to see that red down below with the black up top there. We have power windows. Sorry, that's a power lock there. The windows are in the center. Here's your speaker grill here. Let's check out the dash over here. So the black top with a red bottom here. Let's open up the glove box there. And we'll show you the door jambs here. We got this carbon fiber look there with the Viper on the kick plate there. There's your door jambs looking great. Embroidered Viper floor mats there, carpeted. And here's your seats. So it's a real race-inspired seat. Black leather with these suede inserts and the red stitching. We got the Viper stitched in the back there. You got your speaker grills in the center, and of course the red console really pops. All right, let's close this door here. I'll show you back here. We'll walk down the car here. So there's your stripe, black top. There's your cool seats. You got the body colored side mirrors. Door handles are integrated up there. Fuel cap there. Those really cool rims. And of course we got the side exhaust on the Vipers, giving that unique sound of the V10. We got that carbon fiber right there as well with the Viper badge. Get the Viper SRT on the fender there. Here's your projector headlights. And of course that stripe continues in the front. So here is your hood liner, and here is the power plant. So it's the 8.3 liter V10 engine, just a massive motor, very unique sounding. Nothing sounds like a Viper V10, and it makes 500 horsepower, which is really big numbers in 2005, and it's paired to the 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. We also have the K&N air filter system there, so you can see the dual snorkels there. And we'll go ahead and close the hood, massive long hood here, and check how long this nose is on this car. And you can see the paint looks great, the stripes look great. Unique hood with the Viper with all the scoops and vents, looking great. The Viper badge there. As far as touch-ups, there is a few touch-ups here and there. Nothing drastic, but a little bit here and there. Here's your front wheel there. We'll check out the rear wheel next. And we'll go back to the interior. So again, the black and the red. Red really pops. Here's your power locks there, your power mirrors, speaker grille there. Here's your dash on this side here. Looks great, no cracks. Here is your door jambs and your Viper kick plate there. Pedals down there. You can see you got the aluminum pedals, and they are power adjustable pedals as well. There's your floor mats, they look great. Your race inspired seats here. And it looks great. All right, let's hop in the Viper. Okay, make our way down here. So we got the real cool vents here. Up on the column here, you have your headlight controls as well as your signals. And then over on this side here, you got your windshield wiper controls. All right, we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. Let me grab the keys. So it does have keys. You got the fobs here with the Viper key. Just give me a sec here. I'll put it in the ignition over here. Turn that. Key goes, and we have a red push button start. There we are. That sounds awesome. All right, let's zoom back out here, check out that wheel. So look at this black and red wheel. It looks nice and crisp. The nice Viper badge in the center here of the horn. Coming to the dash here, real race inspired. So you got the large tack right in the center there, fuel gauge on the left, and the speedometer on the right. 220 mile per hour speedometer there, or 340. Mileage on the vehicle, 75,294 kilometers. Continuing with the race theme over here, you can see the other auxiliary gauges. So you got your oil pressure and all the battery and all that stuff. Here's your vents here. We have an aftermarket Kenwood CD player installed in this one. So you can connect your phone up. Here we have your climate control system here. Here's your 6-speed manual transmission against a Tremec. I love the design here. Here's your e-brake handle, cup holder. Then we have your power windows in the center. Here is your console. Open that up so you can see the depth of it there. Then we got your 12-volt